The no judge center, okay? Hey guys, it's Kenzi. Everything sounds so today's video, doing something very exciting. We're going to be waxing. Out with the shave, in with the wax. Y'all like my bun though? I did it different. So basically I took my braids out. I didn't wash my hair. Okay, I didn't wash my hair. I wasn't doing all that. Wore the little twist out. Was looking cute. And then put this boy in a bun. Anyways. Yeah, and my braids were starting to look, you know, a little dusty, shaggy, raggy. And I didn't want to wear them for that long after that. So, I'm not take it out. Anyway, I'm tired of shaving. I really don't like shaving at school because at home, I got a little thing I could put my foot up on. I got my scrubs. I got my shavers. I got my shaving cream. And I have my shaving cream and I have a scrub and all that. But it's different. You know, our showers are a little cube. You know, my shower at home is long. So I don't like doing that here. And waxing just seems so much better. We could have did sugaring. We really couldn't have done sugaring. We like don't have any tools for that here. Well, not right now. But we gonna go with the waxing though. We gonna get a sugaring one day though. And I'm gonna tell you all about it. I've never done none of this waxing before, okay? Let's get that clear. Not an expert. People make mistakes, okay? First thing that we got here, since I'm just opening stuff up right now, taking you on this journey with me, we have this. Not sure what that's for at all. This is cute. And we have this. On the inside, got this cutesy little pot. For some reason, I always thought they were so big. And then we have this pre-wax oil, clean up and protect the skin. And then we have this post-wax oil, moisturize and smooth the skin. We love that, we love that. Oh, I was about to be so upset if I didn't see no sticky things in here, because how else was I gonna do it? A plastic fork wouldn't even work. This is hard wax beans for home use. Glee. Then we got our sticky sticks. And then we have our wax warmer kit. So let's get started. The no judge center, okay? I haven't shaved since I've been here. I've only been here for what? A week and 3 days, because it's Wednesday today. Oh, not me filming it and gonna post it on the same day of the week. Okay, not same day of the week, but you get what I'm saying. Like I'm filming on Wednesday, it gets posted on Wednesday. Anyways, back to what I was saying before I lost my train of thought. Armpits, hairy, okay? Hairy. Haven't shaved since I've been here. It hasn't really been on my mind, but my legs, I've always wanted to wax at some point. But my legs, if it was hot right now, I'd be wearing jeans. So we're gonna get started. Quick start guide, okay? Ready. Hair should be 1/4 inch long to wax effectively. Your skin should be clean and dry. Second says, set. Hot wax, sorry, nothing's funny. Set, number 2, hot wax into the wax warmer and allow the beads to melt until it's the consistency of honey. Okay, so first of all, pre-oil says, to use, apply a small amount on skin, rub it in and pat dry. Ensure the skin is dry before waxing. Caution, use as directed and keep away from children. I got you, big dog. We get started. What wax are we gonna use, guys? I say we use yellow wax so you can really see those pits. We're gonna be using the yellow tan wax. All these instructions, I can't do it. Put the wax in the wax warmer until it's a honey type gel or whatever texture. Check the temperature by testing the wax on the wrist. Prepare the area for waxing with the little whatchamacallit, check the direction of the hair growth. That's what we need to do. It's going down, so I need to go up. Like I wouldn't go down, I go up, right? Whatever. I'm gonna be using a little bit. We'll probably have to use more once we get to L legs. I'm only doing the lower parts of my legs. I'm not waxing my thigh. That's doing too much. Oh, they're so cute. Little beadies. That's how much I poured just to get us started. But I'm gonna use one of the big spatula thingies to stir it. Let's go ahead and do this pre-oil thing, pre-wax oil. So we're just gonna spray it, rub it in, and then I got some paper towels to pat it dry. Rub it in, rub it in. This does not feel like oil. But go off, queen. And we're gonna pat it dry. So this part is melted. I'd say it's the texture of honey. It's ready. I do a little test strip. I'm scared. What if it's hot? Okay, I've got my eyebrows waxed before. I don't know how I'm tweaking. Wait, what if I was supposed to do this in the direction of my hair and I didn't? Is it supposed to do this? Look, it's like plastic. Well, I mean, I guess it is beads. Wax. Whatever. I put this, it wasn't too hot. Rolling and durling. Okay. We're gonna start at the top though. Okay, this is a little patch. That's not exciting. I need to do more. Maybe it's not hot enough. Maybe it's supposed to be hotter. Maybe I'm supposed to feel some type of pain. Wait, we're gonna lift up. We're gonna lift up. Oh, okay. I know I didn't get anything, but that hurted. This is not a fun feeling. Okay, we can get this in one pull. Okay, I'm able to see my hairs by myself instead of watching people like wax their armpits on YouTube. The little hairs in here are so interesting. Just something about the follicle and the hair. Just like, you know, when you see an eyebrow plucking video, just so satisfying. Okay, look, we did this little part. Am I sweating? Let me not sweat. There we go. I just gotta take long strokes. I almost got a, what's that called? A cramp in my back shoulder. Okay, guys. I gotta stop making that face. All right, we're gonna lift up a little bit of it. Okay. Okay, this part doesn't want to come up, does it? Okay, but look. That's so satisfying. Can you see this properly? Do I need it? Sorry, that's kind of nasty, but like, look at all that hair. I turned off the whatchamacallit because it was hot enough and I didn't want to get too liquidy because they said that will hurt your skin. I just turned it off. Anyways, let's do this part. Am I missing any part? I feel like I'm missing areas. Don't think about it too much. Lift. Wait, this part? Okay, whatever. A substantial amount of hair. Not that you can see it. Maybe you can't see it. I still have hair on my armpit. Okay, you know what? When I do this other armpit, I'm not showing you guys because I still need to show you my leg. And that is a substantial amount of leg hair as well. But not too crazy. But like, crazy. We got a little bit of hair. Like, what the heck is the problem? Okay, this one got more hair. I know I still got like some sticky thingies on it, but I'm gonna get it off. But look at that. Smooth. Yeah. And then, you know. Ew. Okay, guys. So I have moved to the floor. So this is armpit. Armpit. Beautiful. Beautiful. Nice and smooth. Already wiped down my leg. Now I need to put the little pre-wax oil on it. I'm gonna just do both legs at the same time because I don't want to forget to do one thinking I already did it. First, I just wanted to show you guys what my leg hair looked like because I don't think you're able to see it. Now the light is making it look like less than what it is, or maybe you can see how much it really is, but it's like a lot. Okay, let's ignore my sock, but it's a lot. I added more to the whatchamacallit, but what I have right now looks pretty good. I am just kind of putting the wax all over my leg, not all over my leg, you know, like orderly. My leg is a much bigger space than my armpit. This is what it looks like right now. All right, guys, the first part is done. Let's do this thing. Okay, see, I did it much better this time because I was able to just like lift it up a little and boom. But we're at the ankle area. Ankle area, a little sensitive when it comes to hair. Okay, ready? This was a horrible test try. Nothing for the first thing of hairs on LA. Disappointed. Okay. Ow. Okay, I'm not sure as to why it's being more stubborn than my armpit hair. Like, why is this harder to lift up? Time to lift this one off L leg. Am I just not getting good traction? Like, what the heck is different from my armpit to my leg? I'm not sure why. Ow. Okay, this one's better. The hair around the ankle was very sensitive. I fully used the first yellow bag. Honestly, guys, I'm having such a hard time with my legs. Like, I don't know why. You know what, guys? Maybe I just have that much leg hair, because from the looks of it, when I look at all these strips, there's hair on all of them. Now, maybe not as much ripped hair as my armpits, but there's a lot of hair, and it's like very annoying. I'm getting very agitated. I'm on thin ice. Okay, y'all, I had to use all the pink. So, as you can see, my leg still has like waxing stuff on it. It is what it is. All these waxings, like, it was just not as smooth as the dang armpit. And it's very annoying. Very annoying. I kind of want to keep all of them. Not gonna lie to you. Like, why is everything so spaced? And then you have the armpit one. Everything was just concise together. I was getting quite frustrated, so I didn't like tell y'all when I was going to my other leg, because as you can see, there's a lot going on. I'm not cleaning this wax thing till tomorrow. Like, I started this around maybe 7:38. It's 10 something, almost 11 o'clock. I didn't think that was gonna happen. Like, you know, it's waxing. Oh, it should be real smooth. No. Armpit, yes. Legs, no. I'm about to use this the little post-wax oil. Get finished up with that. This one says just rub this one. Look at the legs. That took forever. Overall, would I do this again? Yes, but like, that was, I don't know. Did not like that. I just didn't like how much time it took and like how hard it was. Like, don't get me wrong, I would get a lot of hair, but like maybe my legs were just, no, because if my legs were really hairy, it should have came off like easier because it's so much hair. But no, everything was just like, you got hair here, then you got hair right here, and then you got a lot of hair on this one. Like, what the heck? But I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.